Hello guys, today we're introducing the Burkholder HR62 model. Comes standard with our 2-inch coupler, our swing up 2,000-pound jack, and we have our A-frame construction, and our main frame is all tube steel. That's including your cross members too. So it's a lightweight and very strong structure. On the side here, we have our recessed LED lighting, and the wiring is run inside the tubing the whole way around the trailer. So it eliminates your backyard critters trying to chew on your wires. On the side here, we have your tie-down rail. We call it a rub rail. Gives you tons of tie-down points along the side there. We have our aluminum wheel upgrade. It is an option. Standard is our steel wheel, and comes with a 205/75 R15 tire. And the axles are a torsion suspension, which delivers a smoother ride and less maintenance. On our back here, we have a 4-foot spring assist gate. It is spring assist to go down. And the back bumper, tube steel construction, comes with your recessed lighting, making it a very sleek profile. On the inside of the bed, it is 10 foot in length, 6 foot interior width on the wooden side option, and 6'2" with our aluminum side upgrade. And each of the corners, it does come with a recessed D-rings.